Hello guys, this is Jason again here to show you the project that we are going to be doing here in Aurora South. I came to this house like a month and a half ago, and they scheduled in the same moment to do the job 3 weeks later, but then they have some kind of inconvenience and then rescheduled for today. Today is March 3rd. We are gonna be doing a screen and recoat with some kind of protection, adding some kind of color also to the floor. And it's around 800 square feet, I believe. So anyway, I'm gonna flip it out the camera and show you guys what are we gonna be doing. All right, look at this, beautiful day, beautiful neighborhood as well. But anyway guys, we are gonna be here doing the screen and recoat, adding some kind of color to the floor. Look at this, just is not really in bad condition, but as I always said, if you keep the floor protected with the finish, 2 components that I use, the floor of course is gonna be looking so much better, and it's gonna be also protected. And in this case, just because they have also a dog here in the house, we are gonna be adding aluminum oxide to the finish to make the finish even more stronger. So this is the house, like I told you, those 4 small stairs. So stay tuned guys. All right guys, we're back here cleaning and tack, and look at how the floor is gonna look. Even it's gonna look so much better also because I'm gonna add some kind of color here to the floor, so it will look amazing. But you can see already all the micro scratches, scuff mark disappear with the screening process. And look at how the floor. Look at this. Wow. It's good guys. So stay tuned, look at the difference. Okay, we're back here guys, and look at how this floor is looking so far. It's already screening, it's already clean. Look at this. Mixing enough. You cannot see micro scratches and scuff mark at all. Look at how it's looking. Beautiful. And now I have here the kit because I'm gonna fill it up this crack here. It's not a crack, it's just the filler that this floor, all filler that it has. So I'm gonna just cover that area before apply the finish. Look at this. So it's not a big deal. So all right guys, stay tuned. checking out this work. Look at this, how this floor is looking. Oh wow, such a good improvement, guys. Look at this. Here. I really like the satin finish. Man, it looks the floor so natural. As you can see, look at this. The stairs are good as well. Oh yeah, really nice. All right, guys. What do you think, sir?
Very good. That seam fix. Can't even tell what that seam split was.
Yeah, exactly. You couldn't see. Yeah, we fixed here the gap between the planks, and you cannot see it anymore. So, yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right, guys. If you want this kind of service, don't hesitate, contact me, 720-327-1127. And see you guys next time. Stay tuned.